Hey, homeschool, high school kids, I am going to show you some things and maybe you can do some of these art lessons. Look, I guess I should look up here. Okay, I'm still looking at myself. I don't know how that works. But I would be tickled for you to try some of these things. I think they're still using some of these lessons from back when I was at the high school. I think the Georgetown High School and maybe Eastview, I don't know, is still using some of these art lessons. I taught back in the gazillion years and had 2 lives at the high school. So maybe you would want to look at these and maybe your art teachers will be happy that I'm showing them. I keep this stuff all the time. I'm going to stop wiggling here in a minute and never get rid of it. You know, your teachers really don't ever get rid of their art students' stuff, probably. Particularly like me. I keep it. I have drawers of it. In the studio, I have 6 drawers full of work that my students did. I'll try to give you a shout out and hopefully you'll see this and you can say, hey, that was me. And if you want your artwork back, too bad. Too bad. I get to keep it because I loved you. I still do. I'm kidding. Let's see. Let's look at this one. This one is John Roberts. Oh my goodness. He was in 3rd period A. I don't know what A meant. I don't remember what that meant, but whatever. And let's see here. I'm going to show you this one in just a minute. And somebody didn't put their name on their paper. Somebody didn't do it right. Oh, here it is. K-Y-A. That's a pretty good one too. And here's another one. I'm going to tell it to you, show it to you in a few minutes. I can't tell where the name is, and I'll explain why in a few minutes when you see them. But has to do with wildflowers. And there was a time at the high school. This is Christina Unger, you little pie baby. She loved teapots. I still remember all that. And so I'm going to show these to you, and then you can do them. I don't know what I was going to say. And since nobody's there to remind me, we're going to have to just go on with what we've got. Wildflowers. Oh. They used to have to collect wildflowers and press them and make these things. Well, then they went to something else about wildflowers, and then they went to something else about wildflowers. Anyway, wildflowers are cool, and they're easy to access. Some of your best drawings are going to be where you just go. Do you see Stefan back there? He's adorable. He comes from Bell's, when Bell's closed down. Yeah, he hangs out with me. James is also here, but James is been taken from me for a few days. He went to visit Grayson. If you don't know who Grayson is, watch some of my other videos. So let me show you. I don't think I can turn around. I've learned that this phone doesn't do that, or I don't know, capacity, I don't know. So I'm going to turn it around. Whoa. So y'all see that? Can y'all see that? Where are you? Yeah. All right. So it is drawings, and then after you draw them and you repeat that image several times, do you see how the same image is repeated? Sometimes it is turned one way and turned another way, and it's composition that you're looking for. What looks right? Are you doing it random composition? Or are you doing it with a pattern composition? But you repeat the same image over and over again. And then you use watercolor or colored pencil and color it in. And then you use black Sharpie marker or whatever you want to use and put it in the background. Color in all the background. I actually kind of dig this, I don't know, zebra look right down here. This is what it would look like when you get started. I hope you're able to see it. And then it would come down here. Now, if you're already drawing and you know how to draw, so just draw some items, repeat them, and make them look great. Let me put up another one. That one, who did I say that was? Was that John Roberts? No. But look, and that's what the back looks like. So here is another one. So this is done with some watercolor. And remember, the key word here is watercolor. So you can see how all of these are kind of values different according to how much paint or how much color you put in.